in today's video we are going to be talking about luxury perfume, and here I have a box from Luxury Scent Box, which is a monthly subscription box, obviously for perfume. It is for men and women. So Luxury Scent Box did send me the items in today's video to talk about, but this video is not sponsored. So they sent me 2 months worth of products. Now what Luxury Scent Box is, it's a site where you go on and you take a fragrance test. And basically the fragrance test, they're just going to help you narrow down your options on what kind of scents that they think you would enjoy. So after you finish doing the survey, you get to select the fragrances that you get sent. So every month for that $15, you're going to get a luxury scent in a travel size bottle sent to your home, and that is what I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how these travel things actually work. So here is what the travel bottles actually look like, and they're actually really cool. You just twist it up. I don't know how well you can see that. You just twist it and the little nozzle comes out. So this set here is one that I was actually really excited to get. I love the Juicy Couture fragrances. This is the Viva La Juicy Glacé, and I will go ahead and read the description of the scent to you guys. This fragrance is a limited edition with notes of frozen mandarin, frosted cassis leaves, pear sorbet, jasmine, orange blossom, vanilla, amber, and sandalwood. And it says it's a fun and flirty scent. I totally agree. Like I said, I love these Juicy Couture smells, and I'm going to use this one for a while. I mean, I'm going to let this one last. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to show you this one as well. It's the same concept. This is Taos Bonjour Senorita, and it's by Taos. And the scent, iced mango smoothie, raspberry macaron, coconut milk, guava, jasmine tea, tropical woods, patchouli, and vanilla. And it says it's exotic and fruity. I really like this one too, but the fruitiness just makes me want to save it for when it gets a little bit warmer, because it's like winter and this just seems like a really nice summer scent to me. So I'm going to save this one. But now back to the Juicy Couture. I'm going to show you guys how these travel bottles work. So when you look at it like this, there's no way of knowing the name. It just has the Luxury Scent Box logo on it, and it's really cute, sleek packaging, which I like. And I love that the colors of each perfume are different on the cap, so you don't get them confused in any way. But what you're going to do to take it out of the travel container, you're just going to twist it up, grab it by the little nozzle, and pull it right out. And that is where the perfume is. I've actually sprayed this one a lot already. I don't know if you guys can actually tell, but it says the perfume name on the inner bottle, and then you can just pop it back in there. I think I'm going to keep this in my purse because the time that I like to smell the best is when I'm like out places. So this is actually really convenient to have in your purse. There's no way it's going to leak or spill or break. It's really secure in here. So if you become a member of Luxury Scent Box, you're going to get one of these, which is a 9 milliliter travel size, which is equivalent to this much, and $15, that's free shipping. You're going to get this luxury scent, which I think is totally worth it. If you go to like Ulta or something and you see these really high-end travel size things, they can get pretty pricey. So if you do decide to become a member, all new members can use the code VanessaAnn00 for $5 off, and you will get your first box for $10. That includes free shipping. So $10 will get you a nice little travel size luxury perfume. So that is all that I have for you guys in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really do enjoy these scents, and I'm really excited to wear them out. Thank you again, Luxury Scent Box, for providing me with these items. And if you guys do check it out, make sure that you get that extra $5 off and get your $10 first box. So that is all for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon.